welcome everybody to Math with Mr. Antoine. I am Mr. Antoine, and today we're going to be graphing an inequality. Now, we spoke about solving an inequality before, so now we're going to graph that inequality. Here we have a 2x minus 7 is greater than 5. Now, we showed that when you solve it, what you will get is that any value of x that is greater than 6 will work in this inequality. So as long as the number is greater than 6, it'll work within this equality. So we could substitute the values of x with anything greater than 6. It could be 6.5, 6.7, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth. Well, now we're going to graph it. We're going to make some type of visual display to show that. So here's how we do it. First step is we make a number line. Now the number line is going to be determined just because we have the 6 here. So when I start my number line, just to make it simple, we're going to, instead of putting a whole lot of numbers on the number line, we're going to put 3 numbers. One here. Okay. Well, we have the center here is going to be what I see here, which is 6. Right? And then I take the number that comes before 6 and the number that comes after 6. So the number before is 5 and the number after is 7. So my number line is going to go right now from 5 to 7. Okay, that's the first step. Second step is we are going to now use an open or closed circle. Now, let me just put down step 2. What we're going to do is have an open circle, or a closed circle is what we're using. All right. Now, open circle is used when you have the greater than or less than circle, while the closed circle is used when you have a greater than or equal to symbol or a less than and equal to symbol. So notice when you have it equal to something, it's closed. That means that you are including that number. But when it's an open circle, that means you're not including that number, just anything else that comes afterwards or before. In this case, we're talking about greater, right? So then that means that it's going to be an open circle. So let me put an open circle on the 6 because I am not including 6 in the solution set. All right, that's step 2. Step 3, what we're going to do now, all right, for step 3, let me just put step 3 right here. Okay, now for step 3, we're going to create an array that moves in the direction for the solution set. Now, if I'm looking that it is a greater than or greater than or equal to, so notice that the arrow is pointing in this direction, well then I'm going to make an array that's also going to go in that direction. However, if we saw that it was going like this, if it was a less than or a less than and equal to symbol, well then my array will go in that direction. Again, be it that we're using this symbol, the greater than symbol, and since it's going over to my right, that means, let's go back to the number line. I'm going to make this move. My number line moves to the right. And this array is showing that this is going to go to the right. So the solution set is showing that the values are going to be not 6, but anything greater than 6 in this direction. So 7, 8, 9, 10, and so forth. Even those between the 6 and 7, 6.1, 6 and 1/10, 6 and 2/10, 6 and 3/10, 6 and 95 hundredths, and so forth. So then all of this is considered in the solution set. Okay, and that's it. That's all you have to do for graphing inequality. All right, so that's it for this time. And again, what we're just showing is that if you have this inequality, this would be the solution set for it. All right, for 2x minus 7 is greater than 5, I'm saying that I have numbers that are not 6, but anything greater than 6 will be able to go in for a value of x and would make it true. That's it for Math with Mr. Antoine. Hope that was helpful. Talk to you soon. Keep on doing your math. Love and peace.